Hey, what's up guys? My name's Anna and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and hit that little bell so it notifies you every time I make a new video. Today for this tutorial, I'm going to be doing a half skull mask. So let's go ahead and jump in. Alright guys, so I'm going to paint half of my face white. You can make the lines as low as you want or high as you want. I just chose a little bit lower. You're just going to paint half of your face completely white. You can use any kind of white face paint. It can be creamy, like the one I'm using from Walmart, which is only 98 cents in the Halloween section. Hobby Lobby, any drugstore, anything like that. So then you're going to get a black eyeliner, pencil eyeliner or liquid, but I used pencil for the nose and the outline. And I just use this basic one from also the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to outline the top of my mask. Later on in the video, you're going to see that I changed the length of the nose, like for the white part, just because it looked better, in my opinion. But you can do whatever you want. Like I said, it's up to you. I'm going to go in with the black face paint, also from Walmart, 98 cents. And I'm going to fill in my nose. You can make this any other shape too. I used a picture for reference. Now I'm going to draw the mouth and, liquid or whatever you want to use. Went ahead and went with pencil again. And draw the basic outline cheeks going in like the skull and then the bottom as well. And like I said, it'd be easier for you to do this if you actually have a reference picture, as I had my laptop and I was looking at a reference picture while I was doing this. Now, the teeth, a lot of people use like really detailed, and I kind of wanted a purge kind of feel to this mask. So I just kind of drew basic lines where my actual teeth were. So if you see me kind of grunting, looking, that's because I'm trying to see where my real teeth are. And you're just going to get, black eyeshadow and basically shade a lot of the areas and a shade around, like framing the mask so it makes it look more like a mask. And now I'm going to fill in my neck and other areas black to just make it look more 3D. And you really can't forget the neck. And I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. Again, if you're a perfectionist, just do it however you would like. But this is just basic, simple Dollar Tree, Walmart things. And the brushes I used were just basic e.l.f. brushes from Walmart as well. So you're just going to go in now with the black eyeshadow again and reshade some of the things after you let it dry a little bit. And if you want a more black and white look, after you put on the white, you're going to want to put on powder, translucent powder, and let it dry so it doesn't blend. But I wanted more of like a gray, bony look. I went in with a liquid eyeliner. Again, I think this is from the Dollar Tree. And I just kind of went in and filled in a little bit of details to make it look more, like popping out 3D like. If you're going to use this for like Halloween or anything like that, I would probably change beforehand, because it would really suck to realize that you didn't change and would have to find a way to get out of your shirt. But like I said, you can do whatever you want with this look. I just filling in some shading parts and whatnot. You can do more or less, it's up to you. But this is the overall look. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hey guys, let me know what you think. Let me know down below anything that you want to see, whether it's, something crazy, clowns, scary, whatever. I'm up for the challenge. I will be doing a series of Disney villains, so will be interesting. Okay, well, I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day. Night.